Do you want to speak English language? Do you want to learn English language? Do you want to become a fluent speaker of English language? Do you want to become a confident speaker? So here it is. Listen my friend, I'm gonna talk about that. And here in today's video, I'll tell you each and everything which is stopping to you all for becoming a confident and fluent speaker, and which is stopping to you all for learning this language. Listen, these mistakes you all are doing, and because of that you all are unable to speak this language, you all are unable to learn this language. And here it is, I'm gonna describe all the thing, okay, which you all are doing, and you don't need to do those things. Because of that, many English learners quit their journey of English speaking. And here it is, I don't wanna to you all to do like this. So listen, because of that, listen carefully and watch this video till the end. Whatever I'm gonna tell you, whatever I'm gonna describe in this video, so listen. The first mistake always every beginners do like this. They always expect early results from their journey. They think like this, I'm doing practice, because they have heard from somewhere and from any influencer, any teacher who always say like this, you can become a confident speaker of English language within 1 month, within 2 months, within 3 months. These kind of things they always hear from anybody who's trying to make students understand. So listen my friend, you don't need to expect early results from your journey, because English language takes time for learning this language, for becoming a fluent speaker. So because of that, you don't need to. So here I would like to tell you all, like, always keep doing practice, and just don't try to miss a single day without doing practice, because that's a very important thing for learning this language. Okay, I'll come again. Okay, there is the different topic for that. And but here I'm trying to make you all understand, don't try to expect early results. Because of that, you'll feel like you are nothing. Sometimes you'll feel like this, I'm doing practice and I'm putting my all effort, I'm doing each and everything, but I'm not changing, I'm not improving, I'm still there where I started. These kind of things you will feel, and because of that you'll feel like this, now I have to quit this because I'm not improving at all. So the first mistake is that don't try to expect early results. Okay, that's the one thing. And here let's talk about the second mistake. The second mistake, it is about mistakes. Yes my friend, listen, every beginners fear to do mistakes. Listen, before time coming for them, for speaking, for expressing, they always think like this, what will happen with me if I'll make mistakes? Everybody will laugh at myself, everybody will make fun of me if I'll do mistakes. Then how I'll handle in that situation? And everybody will do like this with me if I'll make mistakes. So listen my friend, mistakes are very important thing for you all, and that's all are completely normal for you all. If you are making mistakes, then you should be happy with your own self, like you are doing mistakes. Why I'm saying like this? Listen my friend, because if once you will start making mistakes, then you will get to know that how it is important for you to do mistakes. If you will start doing mistakes, it means you are like practicing, it means you are improving, that's all. So always try to do more mistakes and always try to learn from those mistakes. If once you will start doing mistakes, then after you will know where you are lacking behind and which type of things you need to improve, and which type of things you should apply at that moment. Okay, so don't fear with mistakes, always do mistakes, and just like, it doesn't matter what you are speaking, what matters is like you are speaking, you are doing practice, that's it. And even listen my friend, I'm not a professional speaker here, I'm just guiding to you all. And like, always do mistakes, because I still do mistakes, but I'm not afraid anymore. I always try to speak, I always, like, whenever I do mistakes, it means like I'm improving. I can get I can know each and everything, like where I'm lacking behind and which type of things I'm doing mistakes. Okay, and I can improve at that moment, and this is what you all need to do. Are you getting my point? Like, whatever I'm telling to you all here, that was the second point. Because of, like, that's the most This, because of this reason, every beginners, like most of the people, quit their journey. They always think like this, like I'm making mistakes and I can't improve, this language is not made for me, and everybody is making fun of me, these kind of things. They always say like this, English language is very tough, because of that here I'm making mistakes. Stop it, my friend, stop it. And just start doing practice instead of making excuses. You can learn this language, my friend. There is nothing like that in English. You can't do it. You can learn this language. You all are capable of learning this language. If I can learn this language, then you all can learn this language, my friend. Here I'm telling to you all. But the thing is that you'll have to follow those things which is important for you all for becoming a confident and fluent speaker. And here I'm sharing my whole experience with you all, like whatever I did in my journey and whatever I faced. Okay, I'm not talking about any other thing which I heard from somewhere. No, my friend, here I'm talking about my lifestyle, like whatever I was doing when I started my journey of English speaking. And that was the second mistake, like making mistakes and fear of mistakes, being judged. Okay, and the third thing is about patience. Always have patience, my friend. Like you need to have patience. Without patience, you can't feel like this. You can't feel like you're improving. If once you will start having patience in your own self, at the time everything is possible for you all. You can do each and everything. Okay, here I'm talking about speaking. Okay, you'll have to have patience. You'll have to have patience. Okay, that's it. Patience means you are like you, if you are trying to do practice, okay, it means and you are not getting results, so don't worry about that and don't afraid of that. You can get that, and that one day that time will come when you will start speaking, when you will get to know each and everything which is you are looking for. Okay, so that's all about that. And here the next thing is about what, and here it is I would like to say to you all. And next thing is about consistency, my friend. That's the most effective method. That's the most effective thing for you all who's trying to learn this language. Consistency plays a vital role, like in doing each and everything in your own life. But here I'm talking about learning this language. Here I'm talking about speaking this language. Consistency. Listen, my friend, because of consistency, today I'm here with you all. Like today I'm here in front of you all speaking like this. I was not like this. When I started my English speaking journey, I was nothing at all. I could not even speak properly. I could not even introduce my own self at the time. So because of that, I have confidence. Like I have experience about that. Like which type of things are necessary for you all. Here I'm talking about consistency. You'll have to maintain your consistency. And you'll have to become a consistent guy for that, and always try to do practice like each and every single day. And listen, my friend, because of that, that's very important for you all. Because listen, here if I talk about myself, then I have been learning this language for a long time. Okay, and I never ever tried to break my consistency. I never ever tried to skip a single day without doing practice. Because of that, today I'm confident, today I'm able to speak, and today I'm able to express each and everything which is going on in my head, in my mind. So because of consistency, I've learned all the thing. But I'm learning, I'm also a learner, I'm in my learning phase, and I'm still learning. So here, I would like to tell you all, try to maintain your consistency, my friend, and try to do practice each and every single day. It doesn't matter like how you are speaking. It doesn't matter how much time you all are doing practice. What matters is you are doing. You are putting your all effort for like each and every day for learning this language. That's it. There is no any other thing you need to do. You can do whatever you want, but the thing is that you'll have to apply this thing, and you'll have to You'll have to remember these things. Whatever I'm telling to you all, these mistakes are insisting, and these mistakes are forcing to your own self. These mistakes are forcing your own self for stopping your journey, and these things are like realizing to you all like English language is very tough and you can't do this. Okay, so it is not right. You'll have to do that, and you'll have to understand all the thing from me, like whatever I'm telling to you all. So these mistakes are very what? Very dangerous for your journey who is trying to learn this language. And the next thing is that never ever try to compare yourself with anybody who is speaking and who's like what? Better than you and who's speaking very fluently. Never ever try to compare yourself with that person. There is the two way of comparison. The first thing is that you can compare yourself and you can think like I can speak and when I speak like that and I want to become like that. Okay, that's the first way. And the second is that like you always do comparison with your own self like this. If a person who is speaking very fluently, if a person who speaks very fluently and you are in front of him and you are thinking I can't speak the way he is speaking, how it is possible for me to speak very fluently and I can't do this, it is like I am not capable of that. That's very wrong thing for your own self, my friend. Never ever try to do like that. Never ever try to compare yourself like this, because you don't know how much time he has invested in his journey for learning this language. You are a fresher and you are about to start your journey from scratch. And you don't have any idea about other person, like how much time they have invested in their journey. Because of that, my friend, stop doing comparison between yourself and others. You are best and you can become best, my friend. If you are today here nothing, you can become best. You can become each and everything whatever you want. But the thing is that you have to put your all effort. You'll have to be consistent. You'll have to be you'll have to be dedicated for those things. That's it. There is no need to do any extra thing. Okay, so these kind of mistakes every beginners do. Because of that, today I had to make this video for making you all understand. Just stop doing these kind of things. And there are more mistakes are available there. But today I can't explain in this a single video. Because of that, here I'll tell you in other video. Because of that, it is not possible for me to talk about each and every mistakes. But here, these all mistakes were very dangerous for you all. Because of that, you all need to be aware from these mistakes and just stop doing these kind of things. And what you only need to do, listen, my friend. What I'm doing here, I'm also trying to make you all understand for learning this language. Because I can understand what you all are thinking. Because I had been there. Okay? And I have faced each and everything, whatever you all are facing. Because of that, my friend, try to, and just believe me guys, whatever I'm telling to you all, that's it. And if once you will start doing those kind of things, whatever I'm here and whatever I'm trying to tell you all, that is sufficient for you all. You can learn this language. Okay? If you really want to learn this language, so here, comment below. I want to learn this language. I want to learn English language. Just comment below, and after that I'll see your reaction. After that I'll see your curiousness about English language. So here it is, my friend. Now I have to end this video, and I've completed all the thing. Not all the thing. There are a lot of things are remaining, but I can't, because honestly I've told you that I can't mention all the thing in a single video. Because of that, my friend, just remember this and try to write down this thing in your diary. Okay? And start your journey of English speaking with me. I'm here with you all. Whatever problems you are facing, you can talk with me, and you can you can share with me all your problems, and after that I'll respond to you all, each and everybody, because I'm here for you all. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.